Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is promotional functions and additional function. Along with the daily routines, traditional functions central bank, especially in developing country like India, have to perform numeric functions. These functions are country specified function and can change according to the requirement of the country. First one, development of the financial system. The financial system comprises of the financial institution, financial market and the financial institution. The sound of an efficient financial system is a precondition of the rapid economic development of the nation. The RBI has the converged establishment of the main banking and non-banking institution to create of the credit requirement to diverse sector of the economy. Second, development of agriculture in a agricultural economic hour of the RBI to provide specific attention of the credit need to agriculture and align the activity. It has successfully rendered and the service of the direction of the increasing of the flow of the credit of the sectors. Next, provision of industrial finance. In this regard, the RBI has always been instrumental of the settle up of the special financial institutions such as ICICI Limited, IDBI, SIDBI, Exim Bank, and educate and the timely available of the credit of small scale industry, middle scale industry and large scale industry is very significant. Next, collection of data. Being of the apex monetary authority to the country, the RBI collect of the process and this maintains statistical data of the certain topic. These are data provided by the quite usually from the researcher and policy maker. Next, publication of the reporter. The RBI collect the publication of the data of the several sector of economy. The reporter and bulletin of the regularly published of the RBI. And next one, promotion of the banking habits. As an apex organization, they always try to promote of the banking habits in the country. Institutionalization, saving and taking of the major and expensive of the banking network. And last one, supervisory function. The Reserve Bank of also performed by the supervisory function, like first one, granting of the license to bank. The RBI grant license to the banks to carry its business. License is also given by the opening, extension, counter and the new branches, even the close and down existing branch. Second, bank inspection. The RBI grant to license of the bank working as per the direction of the prudent manner of the without any under risks. The addition of the it can also in the periodical information from the bank to various component assets and liability. And last one, control. Our NBFI non-banking financial institutions are not influenced by the working as a monetary policy. However, by the RBI has a right to issue diverse by the NBFIs from of the time to time regarding the functional through of the periodic inspection. It can control by the NBFI. Limitation of the working of RBI. First one, lack of the as well organization as well integrated money market. Next, stability in the internal external volume of the rupees has not been maintained. The Reserve Bank of India not as yet a completely autonomous institution. And last one, it is an unrecognized money market of India still out of the control of RBI. And repo rate and reverse repo rate. Repo rate is the rate of the which a Reserve Bank India lend of the bank a very short period. The central bank can make necessary change in the repo rate according to the present economic situation. It can also use it to credit control of RBI. Reverse repo rate, it is the rate of which a Reserve Bank India borrowing from of the banks. Generally, there are 1% gap in between the repo rate and reverse repo rate. Okay, class, thank you.